I just got to the gym. I'm gonna run in and get my workout done, but welcome to the weekly vlog. I start my second year of uni this week and I just have some stuff on, so I thought I would take you along with me. So let's stop procrastinating this workout, shall we? Because that's what I'm actually doing. Okay, I've been filming all day, but I actually just got a package, so I thought I'd open it with you. I'm not entirely sure what it is. Oh, yes I am. It is my Emco Beauty stuff. I'm working with Emco Beauty this week again, and I'm so excited because I actually don't know what I'm getting. Ooh! Here we go. Okay, first things first is their Extend Lash Mascara. I actually use it every single day. I already have this, so I'm very excited for a top up. We have the Lip Light Shine Gloss. I also, where is it? I use that every single day, but this is the clear one, and this is like colored. So I'm very excited to try that. Oh, I don't have this. This is the Instant Contour Cream Bronzer. It's like the little wand. I actually am running low on my contour, so I'm very excited. And another Flawless Glow. I actually use this every single day. I already have two. This one's shade 4 and this one's shade 3. So this is perfect because this is shade 3.5. So it's like right in the middle blush version, and it's like the matte one, which is really nice. And this is such a pretty color. I feel like I don't have any blushes that are like corally like that. I think I'm gonna go get my nails done because that's actually a problem. My nails keep like snapping off for some reason. Guys, it is the next day. I've just had the full day at uni. It was my first day back. I'm doing online this semester, and honestly the 2 classes were so pointless. I'll explain more when I have uni again on Friday. Anyway, I've just gotten ready. I did my makeup on TikTok for the Jonas Brothers concert. Just got a delivery from pronounced Pajama, but it is like a pajama company, and I've seen a few people wear their stuff and it's really cute. So let's open her up, shall we? Oh, that's adorable. Okay, we have the little shorts. Oh my god, they've got like little flowers on them. And then this is the cutest part, guys. This is the top. Like, come on. I'm obsessed. I will definitely be wearing that. Not right now though, because I'm about to go out for the Jonas Brothers concert. I am so excited. So originally me and Matilda bought these tickets, but Matilda's actually in Italy, which is really exciting. So me and Luana are now going, which I'm so excited about. But it's in Brisbane, so we do need to drive to Brisbane. But me and Luana got some shirts made up. This is the shirt I got. It has Hannah Montana on it, and it says Sweet Mama, it's the Jonas Brothers, which is so, I love it. I'm a really big Jonas Brothers fan, but I'm an even bigger Hannah Montana fan, so I feel like this is just fitting. But once Luana gets here, she is going to cut it into like a crop top for me because it's quite big. Anna is here and she's cutting my shirt for me because I cannot. You're about to leave. I've cut my outfit. This is her. Where's your outfit? Slay! Supporting Mrs. Swifty. Yes. I was going to say, where are you going, girl?
Oh my god, Kim's on my face. Wow.
I'm sorry. Okay, we need to put in the maps because I have absolutely no idea where I'm
do it on my phone or your phone?
I can do it on my phone. Okay, so we just got to the train station. We parked at this train station. I'm actually terrified that my car's gonna get bogged, but surely not.
Hopefully it'll be fine.
Hopefully, but we are we're gonna figure out where this concert is and get some food because we're hungry. There's no way I'm not eating. This concert goes till 11 p.m.
Yeah.
We'll be hungry. Like, that's not an option.
I'm gonna be like
raging bitch.
Yeah.
Be like, high heels, red dress. As we're at the merch thing, we're not buying anything. Look how cute that top is right there. Wait, focus. So I want it. We are lining up for food right now. I think I'm gonna get chicken nuggets and chips. What are you?
I'm either chicken nuggets and chips or the spring rolls.
Right. How much is that? Maybe I want that. No, but look at the nuggets.
Yeah.
Wait, what are the other things? Are they chicken fish? Oh, fish.
Yeah. Lemon pepper.
It looks really hard. Also, so many people have complimented Luana's boots.
My boots.
Boots, scooting, baby.
And so many people have Katie's shirt.
Yeah, I thought I was original, guys.
Twinning!
Guys, the concert just ended. That concert was so good. I'm on 1%. What time is it?
10:42.
10:40. So we're walking up this. I'm gonna drive home and then go to bed because I've got to wake up at 6 in the morning tomorrow for work. Good morning, everyone. It was very hard to get out of bed this morning, but I have work. I got up at 6 and I need to leave in about 8 minutes, and I'm not dressed. Haven't done my hair, but I've cut up some watermelons, so. Now I have to actually film some content for a brand today, and it's due tomorrow, which is like the weirdest thing ever to say, that I have to do that. Like, brands actually want to work with me. I don't really know. I'm just as surprised as everyone else. But yeah, I'm gonna do that today. I am honestly so tired. I really wanted to like make an effort to like go to the gym more this week, and like not even this week, but like this lifetime. Because I just feel like I get into a really good routine and then I flop. But guys, it's all about listening to your body, and I am so tired. I've got like 4 hours of sleep. Honestly, I would love to go to bed at like 8:30 tonight. I also really want to read my book because I'm like loving the book that I started. And I'm literally like 3 chapters in. So I want to read more of my book. So no gym tonight, but I've got Pilates booked tomorrow. So I'll take you guys to Pilates. I just finished filming. Obviously, as soon as I'm done filming, I take off my makeup because I hate wearing makeup. But I'm gonna cook some dinner and chill. Okay, random as dinner because I was just working with what we've got. We have some veggies. I love veggies. And some fish that's just like oven fish. In bed, I've just had dinner. And I was about to start reading my book, and I was just like sitting and I was like, oh, this is so fun. And then I was about to pick up my book to start reading, and I literally, this is the exact noise I made. I was like, oh, because I remembered I have to do uni. What is this life? I forgot that uni is a thing, but we're going to do some, basically I have like 4 modules every week because I have 4 classes. So it's like the content that you have to watch / do every week before you attend the class. And I like to do 1 a night so that I'm not like stuck with it all on one day, if that makes sense. So that's kind of what the plan is right now. I think I will do the marketing one because I think that's literally the only one that I have left. Module 1, role of advertising. Slay. I hope these lecture videos are not too long. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I'm just making myself some breakfast. I think it just hit 6 o'clock. I am back on the oats for a little bit just because it's easy. But I have been loving bagels and bacon and egg McMuffins for breakfast, so I might do that again next week. I have got work again today, so I'm going to get ready for that once I eat breakfast. Hello guys, I'm sitting here getting ready for work. Usually I would film a get ready with me on TikTok, but I wasn't feeling like talking this morning, so I just have been watching TikToks while I get ready. Okay, I'm downstairs right now. It is lunchtime. Whoa! And I'm just heating up my lunch. How cute our mugs are. We're restocking these really soon, but they're so cute. We're at Pilates. Excited?
Yeah. No.
You don't look excited.
I'm tired.
We're gonna slay. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. I'm currently in bed because it's a uni day today. And so I'm gonna start uni in a second. It's all online, obviously, and I actually have my first Italian class today. Well, technically it was Tuesday, but I had the Jonas Brothers concert, so I was like, can't really be doing Italian then. So I'm a little bit nervous because I don't really know what my Italian class is going to entail. Like, I don't know. But I tanned last night and I ran out of my usual loving tan. I usually use loving tan, and when I tell you I had this random tan, it was literally bright green, like the mousse, and I was putting it on me like, what am I doing? And I ended up doing my whole body, and I literally like messaged my friends. I was like, I'm gonna show up like Shrek tomorrow, and they're like, surely like it will develop nicely like when you wash it off, blah blah blah. Honestly, this is it now. It's still got like that green undertone and it still looks green. But if you saw it yesterday, it was like fluoro green. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So it's definitely gotten less green. I haven't washed it off yet, obviously. And it just sucks because like the tan that I use on my face is like, is that rain? Oh my god, it's raining. If you can see, you won't be able to see that. What? I'm hoping when I wash it off, it like takes the green tint, but the tan that I use on my face is not a green base, so it's gonna be like a really awkward. And I'm like, how do I match a green foundation when I do my makeup tonight? I don't really know, but let's just start uni and we can worry about tan later.
Made you decide to choose between them. So now I'll put into brackets, so it might feel a little bit strange. Nata a Udine, qui, e abitavamo qui a Tarvisio.
I'm going to wash off my tan right now. Let's have a look at the color. I feel like it's still quite a green base, but I'm hoping a lot of it washes off. I just finished both of my Italian classes, so I'm done for uni today. I'm gonna head to the supermarket. I had my Italian class. Tell me why everyone is so much better than me. Like, and tell me why the whole time she basically speaks in Italian. Like, I know she's like speaking so we like hear the language and get to like learn it and stuff, but I literally had no idea what she was saying, and she would put us into breakout rooms, and like sometimes no one would say anything, and then other times there would be people that would like just keep talking, and then she'd put you on the spot. And like, I just can't pronounce stuff, and I feel embarrassed when I try and pronounce stuff in Italian because I'm like, I know this is so wrong. Like, if you didn't know, my dad is Italian and grew up speaking Italian, but he never taught us and he never speaks it around us or in general. So like, I don't really know how things are meant to sound. So I guess it's good that she's speaking to us, but I was just like, what am I doing here? Like, I was like, I have like such a passion to learn Italian, and I've wanted to learn Italian for so freaking long, but I'm just like getting overwhelmed because I'm like, I feel like I'm so bad at it. But I just need to remember that like, obviously I want to do well because it's part of my university degree, and but I also need to remember that like, degree me, whatever that saying is, like, just do it so you can learn it and enjoy it. It's very different because I cruise through all of my other uni and just like do the bare minimum, and this one I actually have to like memorize, and like I feel like I'm back in high school. But anyway, I'm gonna head to the supermarket and get some stuff before tonight, which I'll update you about tonight because I'm actually really nervous. I'm getting ready right now, and look at this tan. I've done my, like, this is as good as I can get it, like green orange. Like, it's low-key noticeable. That's with having foundation on my neck. Like, I don't know how else to like make my neck not green. I mean, it's gonna be dark, so it doesn't really matter, but okay, I've done my makeup. I'm leaving to go out. I'm going to drive to Jamie's house because she lives the closest to the Burley Path, which is where we're going. I get really like anxious in settings like the Path or just like going out situations. Like, I don't go out, and I was explaining this in a TikTok today about how I'd wanted to go to the Path for ages, but I was really anxious and I always cancelled on people. But I was like, I just need to get over my fear. Like, I don't enjoy going out. You're probably like, then why are you going out? But I want to see, like, I'm going to be surrounded by my best friends who are amazing people, and we're just going to try. And what's the worst that could happen? Like, I don't know. I just think might as well give it a go and just like try, you know. I haven't been out in a really long time, and maybe I'll like it if I'm like surrounded by people that, you know, that like are good people and don't make me anxious. And it's just like, I just want to kind of people watch. That's kind of what I want to do. So I feel like it's not like a big deal for like a lot of people because they're like, just go out, like it's not that hard. But for someone that like literally gets like claustrophobic, freaks out when they go out and just honestly has like a bad experience, it's a big deal. So I'm at Jamie's house. That's okay. I'm at Jamie's house. I'm with Luana again, and then Lucy and Jamie, and we're getting ready. I want to show everyone, well, we're not getting ready, we're already ready. I'll show you all our outfits. This is my outfit, slay, and I'm wearing boots, but I took them off. Luana's outfit, slay. Everyone show me their outfit. Jamie, gorgeous. Cookie. Oh my god. Just kidding. Yeah, we're ex-Cookout girls, except this one still works there.
Girls are out on the town. We got the beach there. You can't see shit. Ooh.
How's the weather down there?
The one time that I fucking am cold, I'm like, do you want me to grab something from that shelf?
Girlies are on the wine. What did you get? Glass of rosé. Pinot Grigio, non-alcoholic. Water. Oh my god, this food looks amazing. I'm so excited. Hello. It's like just about to hit 12, I think. I've gotten home. I've taken off all my makeup. Honestly, we left it just after 11. So like that's a pretty long time for me. I think the last time I went out, I was saying I lasted till 8. So 8 to 11, that's a 3-hour improvement. And like, it wasn't even like my idea to leave. I was really happy. So I'm really proud of myself. That's an improvement. I didn't hate it. So, but I've just come home, taken off all my makeup. Hopefully you can actually hear me. And I'm making a cup of tea because I just can't go to bed without a cup of tea. And then, yeah, I'll get ready for tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's 9:30 and I need to get up to go to the gym. I told myself I would do it.
I am back from the gym right now. I am so surprised I just did that. Like, I told myself last night I would wake up and go to the gym, but I didn't actually think I was going to. But I did. But I kind of like, I wasn't like motivated to do it. I kind of just got up and I was like at the gym before I even thought about where I was going. So like, I'm proud of myself that I did, but I'm just like, whoa. But I was lucky enough to be invited to the opening round of the AFL game this week, well today, and I'm so freaking excited because one, it's just cool to be invited, but also I love the AFL. You guys know I love going and I'm so excited the season's back on. I really wanted to go last night to my phone just fucked up, so I don't know what I recorded, but I really wanted to go last night to the Carlton Brisbane game, but I tried to get tickets and all of like the really cheap tickets sold out. So it was only like $150 tickets, and it just like, I was like, ooh, you know, and I ended up going out last night anyway, so it was fine. But I'm so excited to go to the Gold Coast Richmond game today. I'm back from the gym. I had a shower and I'm now cooking up some bacon because I'm going to make egg and bacon McMuffins for me and Dad. So guys, happy Sunday. I don't even know if I like properly spoke to you today because I've just been all over the place this weekend. This weekend has actually probably been one of the busiest weekends I've had, like home for ages. Obviously I had Taylor Swift a few weeks ago, but I was out of I usually like do nothing on my weekends, so the fact that I had so many plans is crazy to me, but it was such a good weekend. Today we had Lucy's birthday, so we had like a sports day themed, so I will insert all of the stuff that I filmed today now. Hello everyone, we are at Lucy's and we are prepping all the food for her birthday sports day extravaganza. We got eggs, I just did a coleslaw, we got a salad making. So windy, but we're setting everything up. Lucy's got a little whistle on and I'll show you all the food. I'm gonna say that I won egg and spoon, but I definitely didn't. But it's now almost your turn. I almost won because everyone's ready. So the girls are gonna do egg and spoon right now. Here comes the airplane. Set. On your mark. Get set. Now like 9 p.m. I'm gonna get ready for bed because we're gonna start a new week. This is obviously the end of this video, but thank you guys so much for watching.